Hello, today I would like to talk about the new Admob and some of the new useful reports that it offers to app developers. The first thing that you will notice in the new Admob homepage is that we completely refreshed the look and feel. We redesigned the user interface into three main sections: the homepage section, the monetize section, and the promote section. Let us have a look into the home section. In the home section, you can find an overview of the most relevant metrics for your app business. On the top left, you can see how much money you made today, yesterday, this month so far, and the last month. And if you are using Admob to promote your apps, you can see how those campaigns are going. If you scroll a little bit down, you can find more detailed metrics about your apps. So in this graph, you can see your estimated earnings in the given period of time. You can find impressions, the request RPM, and the fill rate. And the best part is that we organize the information per app. So you can see how each app is performing against each other, and you can take the best decision for your business. The next step, after you check the homepage and the general information about your app business, would be to go to the monetize section to look into more granular data about your apps. Let us have a look in there. In the monetize section, as we mentioned before, you will have more detailed metrics about your apps. So here you can modify the date range that you want to check, and here you will see like the metrics that you found in the homepage plus some additional metrics: impression, fill rate, clicks, CTR, request RPM, impression RPM, and estimated earnings. You can also find a geomap report where you can see how your apps are performing in different countries per metrics. So if you click in request, you can see which are the strongest countries in terms of requests. But if you click in CTR, you will see which are the most strong countries in terms of CTR, and so on. Another cool feature that the new Admob offers is the possibility of customizing your own reports. Let me give you an example about this. Let us say that I want to see the performance of two particular apps in the month of April, May, and June. Okay? So in this case, I would go to this section. I will check select apps. I will choose the two apps that I want to see. Then I would go to this section, custom date range, and I will select April the 1st until June the 13th, and click go. Go back to the performance tab, and here we'll find the request. Okay. The next step would be to come to this part of the report and modify it. So here I would check application, then here I would add a new dimension, month, and there you go. Now you can see how these two apps have performed in those 3 months. So as you can see here, you have April, May, and June for the first app, and April, May, and June for the second app. Request, impression, fill rate, etc. Now this is just an example of one of the many reports that you can create by yourself through the new Admob interface. The idea is that you find the report that is most useful for you, depending on what metrics are most relevant for you and your app business. So that's it for today. We hope you find the new Admob interface as useful as we do, and that you like it as much as you do. Thanks for your time, and hope to see you around for more videos.